Hello, everyone, and welcome to the True Plan of Living. Today, we will be preparing vegan peanut punch. Here are our ingredients: we're using 3 cups of almond milk, 1.5 cups peanuts, 1 cup oats, quarter cup agave or sweetener of choice, 1 tablespoon chia flax meal, 1 teaspoon vanilla, half teaspoon cinnamon, half teaspoon nutmeg, and 1 scoop of soy ice cream, and that is optional. Now add all the ingredients to a high-speed blender and blend until smooth. Now, peanut punch is a favorite high-protein drink, especially amongst bodybuilders. It's very healthy, and some people may say it's an aphrodisiac. Other benefits may include lowering cholesterol and lifting mood and boosting memory. And there you have it, the vegan peanut punch. That look good. Please remember to subscribe to our channel, hit that notification bell, and share our videos. Thanks for staying tuned to the True Plan of Living. See you next time.